Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Brown color, purple color, sky blue color, pink color, light pink color, green color, light green color, orange color, black color, red color, and yellow color. So kids, now you draw A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. Kids, now you draw D. G for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. Kids, now you draw H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. Kids, now you draw L. The alphabets of L. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. Kids, now you draw U. The alphabets of U. U for umbrella. V for van. W for wheel. X for telephone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.